Nasan kung tuki ka, ba't siyang wantay tang bundok ting alaya? Kareta ding patu, manukan ang katla, bayunan ay takweba.
Good morning, friends. Magandang umaga po. Maya payabak, karin sa Blang Pesitagon. This morning, we will conduct a memorial service and wreath-laying ceremonies here at the Capas National Shrine on the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the infamous Bataan Death March, which is now celebrated since 1961 as Araw ng Kagitingan. Ngayong umaga, ating gugunitahin ang kabayaniang ipinamalas ng mga Pilipino at Amerikanong sundalo sa kanilang paghihirap na dinanas ng dahil sa Bataan Death March na nagsimulang naganap ngayong araw na ito. We will also honor the only recognized Huk Regiment, Huk Balahap Regiment, Hukbo ng Bayan Laban sa Hapon Regiment, which is the Jose Banal Regiment led by Bernardo Poblete. It is the only unit recognized by the United States Armed Forces in the Far East and the American government. And the Hukbalap unit, many of whom were not rewarded properly materially by the government and even properly recognized by us Filipinos. So this is a day for us to honor these men who have not been properly recognized in the history of the Philippines. We recognize the presence of the Honorable Mayor Reynaldo Katakutan of the Municipality of Capas, of which the Center for Kapampangan Studies has always been welcome. We remember how we were graciously hosted 5 years ago when we celebrated the 75th anniversary of World War II. So without further ado, we will begin this morning's ceremony. May we invite everyone to please stand as we are led to an ecumenical prayer by Ronnie de la Cruz of the Bamban Historical Museum.
Kapangadyan, King Lagyuni Pakon Nanak at ng Espiritu Santo. O Ginoo, kapasalamatan ing bibiyemi ngan keka, paulin ng kaganakamo at pahintulutan mo kami, mitipon-tipon kinaba kaiti. Dinan mo kaming kapag dinawan kaisipan, ang pong masanting nga intensyon, para king kaya kaming pagselebaran, king Aldo labanan king Bataan, ang po king kaganakan ng marchang kamatayan. Kaya man kaya kaming tutukluan ngayon kasalukuyan, sundalong Pilipino at Amerikano, libo-libong nibiya kamatayan. Bendisyonan mo kami o Ginoo, bang ingtanging katapangan ang pong matinding sikanan at malas dalang sundalos ng Bataan, mabiya at meteman, mikeke kami at pamanahan. Bendisyonan mo langan o Ginoo, rening mirate na at mayang ubiye, lalo dening makasulat alagyo, kening pada ding bayani, at pati na mo rin ding mabiya pa, iligtas mula naman at ikaba pa in biyada. Ini anyawaran mi king Lagyo ng Yesu Kristo. Amen.
Manatili po tayong nakatayo at ilagay natin ang ating kanang kamay sa ating kaliwang dibdib at sabay-sabay po nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang Magiling. Handa, awit. Bayang Magiling, Eros ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa Maaari na po tayo magsiupo. Magandang umaga po ulit. A pleasant morning to all. Again, we are here at the Capas National Shrine to commemorate the 80th anniversary of the fall of Bataan, or Death March, or which is now institutionally called the Day of Valor. From the end of the Center for Kapampangan Studies of Holy Angel University, we have called this ceremony Tepangan at Tetaganalug, Valor and Fortitude. Sa dinaanan po ng mga sundalong Amerikano at Pilipino na nagdusa sa kanilang mahabang paglalakbay buhat sa Bataan patungo dito sa Capas, ay talagang hindi lamang katapangan ang kinakailangan, kundi tibay at tatag ng loob. Ken pong makanyan kami manalumpakan king Center for Kapampangan Studies. Indelanan da po rin sundalos, emu me sibukan in karelang tapang. Ulingin tapang, tapang yaking katawan. Isugat, patakan mo yung kalamansi. Anti ang makanitan, peka masakit. Pero yung masakit dili, psychological trauma. Karin may kailangan ng tetagan na loob. Fortitude to carry on despite the challenges. Nung miligtas yaman ng katawan mo, king sugat, king kamatayan, king peka masakit akalaban, ing isip. Nung makanano kang mga biyayan, marap kin daratang kay bananita. And this is what I gathered from my readings last week. I was able to read this book published in 1987 about the Bataan Death March. And for the first time, Professor Tantingko, I cried. We've been reading a lot of materials, but this book made me cry. Because even the Americans said, these are sins they will never forget their whole lives. Because ang isa kong pinaka nakakapangilabot na nabasa yung nangyari sa Lubao. Itinapon sila doon sa isang malaking bodega na kung saan, wala namang kumakain sa atin, marami nang naunang namatay na namubulok na. At yung mga nagtain na doon dahil sa dysentery, naabutan mo na lahat doon. Doon sila lahat tinambak. And he said that was the worst night of his life because naririnig niya ang pain breathing ng mga nandoon at alam mo na may mga mamamatay na. At pagdating ng umaga, pagbukas ng pinto, ay maaamoy mo ang pinakamabahong na amoy niya sa kanyang buong buhay. And these are sins that, according to this American, he will never forget. And we have read many accounts of what happened along the way. In San Fernando, how they were herded in trucks. Even my son, who is 8 years old, was crying last night and he said, Papa, it's like Schindler's List. They were boarded in trucks. And they had to urinate there. They had to do their thing there. And sadly, everything ends here. We are now standing on hallowed ground. And I congratulate the people of Capas for this historic opportunity. Mr. Mayor and the good people of Capas, you are standing on sacred ground. This is sacred ground for which many Filipinos and Americans died so that we may enjoy the blessings of freedom. In order to continue with our program this morning, we listen to the opening remarks of the Director for the Center for Kapampangan Studies, Professor Robbie Antinco.
Thank you very much, Fry. May payabak po kaya kayo man. Thank you, Mayor, for joining us in our small program this morning. It's the 80th anniversary of the Araw ng Kagitingan, also known as Day of Valor, formerly the Fall of Bataan. As you know, of the 120,000 soldiers who fought in Bataan and Corregidor, 10,000 of them were killed. The rest were wounded or remained unaccounted for, and some became deserters. These deserters dropped their weapons on their way out of Bataan. And it was the guerrillas like Bernardo Poblete or Commander Banal who picked them up and used them as they carried on the resistance movement in the 3 years after the soldiers surrendered and after the government of Manuel Quezon fled into exile. Which is why today we are honoring both those soldiers who fought gallantly until they surrendered on April 9, 1942, and the Huk guerrillas who continued the fight from 1942 to 1945. Both soldiers and guerrillas fought for their country's freedom. Both soldiers and guerrillas paid the ultimate price, which is death. Both soldiers and guerrillas earned the nation's gratitude and respect, although not equally. The government built this magnificent monument for the soldiers, but unfortunately has neglected to build a similar monument for the guerrillas. The names of every soldier who died can be found inscribed on the granite wall behind us. You will not find any name of guerrilla on that wall or on any wall throughout the country. The soldiers got their proper compensation in the form of regular pension, while the guerrillas fought long and hard to get their equivalent reward, which they only got many years later, but only as a form of financial assistance during the time of President Marcos, and a monthly pension during the time of President Cory Aquino, but it wasn't as much as the soldiers got. And by then, many guerrillas had already died. Let us not treat our war heroes with such disrespect and injustice. If we built this for our soldiers, let us build a similar shrine for our guerrillas. Last March 29, we commemorated the 80th anniversary of the founding of the Huk Balahap in Cabiao, Nueva Ecija, at the exact spot where the Huk Balahap was founded. Huk Balahap, as you know, was the largest guerrilla movement in the country during World War II. Today, April 9, we are here in Capas to commemorate the 80th anniversary of Bataan and the Death March, right here where the concentration camp for the war prisoners used to be. We do not compare the bravery of soldiers and the guerrillas because they are equal. We compare, however, the way we honor the soldiers and the guerrillas, which is indeed very lopsided and unequal. This is the reason we go out of our way to tell their stories, which is what we did at the Center for Kapampangan Studies when we made the movie Aria, when we told the stories of Commander Liwayway and Commander Guerrero, when we reach out to their families to help document their lives, like we do today for the family of Commander Banal. If government is reluctant to honor the Huks because of their alleged communist ideology, then look at the Banal Regiment, who fought not for any ideology. They were never communists, but they also suffered the same fate as the rest of the Huk guerrillas. So while we commemorate the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, both soldiers and guerrillas, we are hoping that someday the government will finally do for our guerrillas what it has done for our soldiers. Luwid la po din kay katamong sundalos at guerrillas. Luwid langan po din bayaning Pilipino at Kapampangan.
Thank you, Professor Ravi Tantinko. It is apt that we listen to the message of the father of this town, this very, very historic town. Alam niyo po, hindi ko po kilalang personal si Mayor, pero dumadaan sa Facebook ko, ginagabi siya. Not for any political reasons that I say this, because I do not know him. I am not from this place, but I see, passing through my Facebook wall, your mayor goes to places, bringing medicines, beds, things needed by old people and by sick people. And I see him even, mga para siyang ganing aldoy, mayor. Po. Maya pa oras po kaya kayo. Po. We listen now to the message of the Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Capas Tarlac, the Honorable Ray Katakutan. Palakpakan tayo.
Ing apelyido ko mo po ing makatakot. Pablasa po din payari ko, iba't la po king Pampanga, kita po king matuwang balen ning Bacolod. Ing payari ko po Bacolod diha, ing ima ko po kinyang Mexico, Pampanga. So matotal, lo talaga pong lahi kong Pampanga. At maswelo yan mong may kapag-obra, inigpa ko king Central Asukarera de Tarlac. Anya may kapanuknangan lakapas at meging swerte ko, may kapag-mayor ko po king Kapas. Pero ing dayang kukuri, king pamikakatawang ko po, dayang Pampanga, Bacolod, Ampong, Mexico. Karing kami po king San Isidro, Bacolod, Pampanga. Ing ima ko naman po, karing niya kita king Kabalenan, Santa Monica. Karing niya pong pamilyang Hizon at Lorenzo. So, nung makwalta na po reta-reta mo po ilang makwalta. Kami po rin kanulong Hizon, Ampong, Lorenzo. King Bacolor, pamilya kami pong David at Katakutan. Nung ka rin na po, di ka na sabi na po kin kasaysayan niyang mabiyela pa po di kungko itang Vicente David Katakutan Sr. Panay na pong istorya kay kaming apuna ang mga lati ing dikil king bilyaning death march. Ang popoing kayang maging partisipasyon na metong niya kareng sundalong merakap, biglakat king Bataan, kinuldas king San Fernando, seketang Bagun, at kay Bat, tinipak king istasyon ng tren Santo Domingo, at kay Bat miglakat, at miras po kini, at maswelo ya pong mitakas. Nya, mabiyaya po ingkong ko. Ito po ito sinabi ng professor na nung minsan makalungkot, potang mag-istorya na rin mga tuwa, meging partisipasyon, meging partila ning makanining klaseng kasakitan. Pero potang muntala kini, alalo po ding lagyuda. Uling mabiyala. Ne? So, nung minsan po, tingkong din dami, ako balo kung nung minsan, pikakamwanda ko, potang mag-joke ko, pero, ay, potang kamuan nyo ko, ako niya po i-joke yan. Masakit po yung makakamwa. kareng may edad. Ne, 56 na anyos na ako po, pota, kamuan nyo ko pa. Ne, pota ngayon pa sabihin nyo, ngayon pa ating mayor ang makamuha. Pero, kangingkong ko, niyang mabiyaya po, antiyo na mo pong edarandaman ne, jinyok kayo mo kangingkong ko ini, ingkong, sabi ko, sasabihan da, adwa na kanuklasi, beng, veterano. Nanula po, den kanong mete, ampong mabiye, retang mete, ilang tune, letter V. Veterans. Detang mag-pension, ilang letter B. Veteran. Hitak na idumo. Hingkong, kaya sinabi yan, dindam kya mo, ketang meto nga matwa. Dindam kya mo itang ako. Kasi kanuretang mete, ila rin nagipaglaban. Deta kanong nila kalibugtaran ng death march, ilang magpensyon, niya mabiyela. At ila pa, ingat yung listahan. O di ka lakang ako, linabang ka. E ako pimbalo, taksiapo da, hanap ko ning ingkong ko. Taksiapo ra, nung baluda mo, pakit ke, ing me, nanita, bayoneta. Bakit kaya kaya ing may bayoneta ko? Ano? Para ibilid ako lagyo. Paborit mo na yung kung ako. Mayor ko mo rin. Panggawa na naka sarili mo. Lagyo ako. Biniro kayo po yung kung ko. So, nagay niyo po yung kasaysayan 1942. 80 years ago. Salamat po. Karangagan na ganang historian. Meto nga sinap kaya kami Professor Lino Dizon ng Interlock State University. Kakadwa in Center for Kapampangan ng Oli Angel. Oli, kasi po Kapampangan. Salamat po ka rin taga Oli Angel University. Kaya Center for Kapampangan, adwa na akong beses sa Mintang rin. Talaga pong mama nga po, kaya gagawan ng research. At pamuli na naman ng research yun po kang Professor Lino Dizon, ababalo mi po, ingega na ganang party ng kasaysayan na ning kapas. Itaping gulo kayo ni, nanuya ba talaga yung kapas? 1710 or 1712? Sasabihan na po ning kaming kay National Historical Commission is 1710. Sasabihan na po ning kaming municipal flag, 1710. Sasabihan na naman po ng aliwa, 1712. Di ba? Oh, so, ang kaking sinabi na kaming, dinina na kaming guidance, Professor Lino Dizon, papanatilyan me in 1710. Yapin yan, Mayor, na nung ka rin, mitatagya in kapas. Ana po, anako. So, ita po, may natili niya in 1710. Kaya po king kapas. So, 80 years ago, so, labenta na po rin magsakripisyo kay MBA. At bilang pong parangal kanila, waman sinabi ng professor, na rin guerrillas, alalo po kayo sayang. Sana, inabi na. Kasi po, anyang kasalukuyan din gagawan ini, yako po ing municipal administrator. During that time of then Mayor Dr. Frias. Iya po ing tao with Colonel Estrada. At lula pong tao, apat kami mo kayong pisulok kanita. Colonel Estrada, o Bataan, may tene po Defenders of Bataan, Mayor Frias, Congressman Hermie Aquino, inganak na pong bunsong General Servillano Aquino, at of course, Yako po. At yung kami kayong pisulok, isabi niya po ini, in-propose ng Colonel Estrada, only 10 hectares. Tamupong ka rin. Sinabi ng Mayor Frias, Malatiya. At pinukala niya po Mayor Frias, 50 hectares. Kapamilatan na pong Hermie Aquino, in Congressista mo kanita, nag-file niya pong bill, at pinirma niya pong President Cory Aquino. Makanita niya pong mag-start ini. At salamat po kang FBR, ne, sindune po, at meging makaniniya po kasantingin ni, salamat kang President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Ya po ing kanitaya po mayari ing ganang construction during that time of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So salamat po ka rin atong presidente at salamat ka rin kasalukuyan na presidente at masanti niya po pang-maintain at ngayon kasalukuyan ay improve tayo po in fencing. At dahil punta naman na rin yung target niyo po ka rin is balang metong ang makalista kini dapat po metong atanaman ang makatanakan. So matotal po nung 43,200 na po rin kayong kabilangan dapat po remitan ang tanaman 43,200 la naman. Pero magkulangan kayo pa po. Dahil aluwa kasi may kasilabla. Kaya Latino po. So ngayon po akakityo na. Masanting na. Masalilong na. So ito mo po. So capitalizing the history. Kanita lulungkot kami po pag sinabi ng Death March. Kasi aga na kami ang kapas. Death March. Kaya po pa na dead spot. Kasi Death March. Magkasakit kayo po yung signal. Death March, dead spot. Yang ini po, kaya parang kunore antena. Nyati na po signal. Yan na po dead spot kini. Malungkot kami po. Panadasabihan. So nga sabi mo, Death March, kapas. Death March. Munta ka po kay Manila. Death March, kapas. Ayalala din po yung kapas. But now, you will remember kapas. Not only of Death March. Because of the new development in Kapas. We hosted the Nuclear City. We are the host of the Nuclear City. We hosted the Southeast Asian Games. And now, we will be hosting the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. In 2 years' time, ala na pong Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Manila. It will be here in 24 months. So, the whole Bangko Sentral will be transferred here. Supreme Court of the Philippines, Regional and Judicial Academy, Bangko Sentral. And now, by June, we will already open. If in Baguio, we have the National Philippine Military Academy, Cavite, the Philippine National Police Academy. We have now here the National Academy of Sports. It will be open on June. And there will be 4 universities coming in Kapas, which construction will start very soon. We welcome University of the Philippines in Nuclear City, Polytechnic University, Tarlac State University campus, and the latest is Adamson University, all in Kapas. So again, on behalf of the people of Kapas, we'd like to welcome you all in this hallowed ground, Death March, or the Kapas National Shrine, which are called nowadays Death March, our history, but Nuclear City, our destiny. Thank you.
Maya pa oras po, Mayor Ricat. Baliyo, ating adun po yata laureado Kenny, itatang Frank, ang po pa'ing po yata laureado na ng Bamban. Siguro, isto ko sabihan kung may kamali, kanyaman ng mga Pampangan Mayor. Kanyaman Kapampangan na, tinyalindayo ka, tinyangaman, kulang na mo, magarima ya. Maya pa oras po, palakpakan tayong pasibayo. Yung Mayor na ng Kapas. Ngayon po, bang masampat apami parangal ang pumpami ganaka karing kay katamong bayaning parangalan yan nga bak. Let us listen to an intermission number to be presented by one of our artists in Pampanga, and perhaps he is known throughout the country as an artist and a folk culture practitioner. Let us listen to the song Hangin, to be given to us by Isagani Ibarra. Palakpakan tayo po.
Mamuna ko po kasi nangasal ko po. Salamat pong lakan. Salamat. Holy Angel, thank you po. Ako po ay wasin yung pa mga salpota po, mikawan. Mabukto na po yung babae. Ano po na mabangan, may matinga.
Maya pa abak po. Ego po ba mas matwaya paling kapas kaysa mabalak. So pagkanta kay po ing dengala po keni. Diyan mayang laking biye alalo pin keni kasi ala makalista yung gulot. Asan ko pa mo. Tatay pagkanta ke. Yan itang kanta ko. It's a song I wish I wrote because I was looking at my repertoire, my songs, and I found out that there's nothing worth to sing here that I wrote. Maybe I'll write someday. But so I looked to other songwriters and I found this song. I just adapted it. Okay. I'm gasping for it. Hangin, hangin, hanging. It might have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. And you always took those steps behind. So I was the one with all the glory. You were the one to bear the strength. Beautiful face without a name for so long. Beautiful smiles to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. Then I could fly higher than an eagle. With you as the wind beneath my wings. Oh, hanging, hanging, hanging. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I kept it all here in my heart. I want you to know that I know the truth. Of course, I know it. That I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. Then I could fly higher than an eagle. With you as the wind beneath my wings. Hanging, hanging, isang dinakila kong bayani. Lahat ng nais kong maging, ako'y lilipad isang lawin. Utang ko kayo ang hangin. Oh, hangin. Kata-kata salah.
Before we proceed to the next part of the program, we would like to thank my brothers in the Knights of Columbus who came all the way from Pasay and who lent us the sound system. Thank you, my dear brothers in the fraternity. Thank you. We will prepare now for the next part of the program. This is the very heart of today's proceedings, the wreath laying and a period of short silence. May we ask therefore a representative from the municipality of Capas, vice in lieu of Mayor Katakutan, who had to attend one urgent administrative matter. The Director of the Center for Kapampangan Studies and the family of Bernardo Poblete alias Commander Banal. And by the way, we also ask to join us the Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Manalid, who traveled all the way from Manalid for these days proceedings, the Honorable Philip Nakit. So let us gather first here para hindi tayo pumabilat, para mabilis.
Thank you.
We would represent po, din kaya kami tourism council. Yes, sir.
May we ask the representatives from the Tourism Council of the Municipality of Capas
Yung co-chair at saka yung sa
to join us.
Ma'am Lisel here. Sige po.
So, we now lay the wreath to shrine, and we join them by standing and observing a moment of silence. And we ask, tayo lang po tayo rito, sarap po tayo doon for the moment of silence. Dito po. Then we face the monument. Let us now observe a period of silence in remembrance of all the lives that were offered on this sacred ground. Let us offer one Our Father for the repose. Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us today our daily bread, forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Let us first have a photo with the representatives of the institutions, and then mabilisan po, isang photo op, and then we go back. Okay? We will offer the wreaths to the monument. Can we stay here and take a picture?
Against the ano, better.
One last shot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you po.
Siguro po kadalasan no, kasi sumangin.
Itong mapali.
Kadalasan ka.
Itong masalilo pa rin yung lalaki. Okay, alis po tayo po. Makiabeta na kayo. Hindi na kayo po. Mama, makiabeta mo po. Group picture. Mabilis po. Nagbuha tayo po. Sige po. Sige po. Alright. Yes, ma'am. Wala po ata po. Yan na po lalam dahil nga ba? Oh. Mata po nga matulog. Oh. Okay po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, take your last shot. 1, 2, 3. Makulukulukan tayo na po. Bata na po ng sundo. Kaya katamon sunsunan.
Pwede rin namin ang formal, no? Basta tapos ko dito, nandiyan ako dinakawa.
Anti mo pong pami parangal. At map apami ganaka. Karing bayaning migbuis. Karing karelang biye. At metong kareli. May kalingwane. Karing bilungan ng kasalisayan. Ngayon pong habak. Pakiramdaman tayo. Ing meto nga poesya. Iapsena kay katamo, igale. Ing metong karing poeta laureado. Naning lalawigang Kapampangan. Alangalawa. Naning Francisco M. Ginto.
Taga Makabebe.
Taga Makabebe niya po.
Karing sablang kay sa tagon ko, lalong-lalo na si KS Director, Professor Ravi Tantenko, ating kagulgul papong Mayor Ling Kapastarlak, Honorable Rekat, at mapalad tamo po, ating Vice Mayor Naning Minaden, at saka rin pong lamana ng Major Banal. Mayap ang mapaling Aldo. Papayong yang panuwang asul, iing kapalian erapansing, malumeme lang dinurok ketang siwal amaturing. Meniglalang tigulana, nitang gabun na laraing, puyat, danop at parusa, ing payulbeng papagising. Balang lahing kayo mangging, may kapugal king sainsing, taguleleng alabuwakas, kakambalding kikang supling. Ding bayani tamong kawal, ketang napon na milabas, antimong liping komangdi, dapat talang tukyan bakas. Huling busal kaparangan, itang daya rami salwak, king lagyunan ng labuad da, ing tepangan da pepalkas. Ang gangin niyang itang biera, may sawina at may apas, may tilalam ng bandera, ng indutang Pilipinas. Makanyan lang may ipamok, ding martir tamong sundalos, gilutan ng labuad da, ketang siwal makagapos. Mga blood kanong tangalan, itang biyerang matatampos, king puntaring bayoneta, manimusyo lantetikus. ating pandong na ning lahi, naging lulam yang melos-los, keti kampo ning Odonel, pangisnawa yang metakmos, ding gerilya ning kimutan, sundalos ning hok balahap, at ding kawal ning gobyerno, mika metong lapigagap. Mitong tatagdong pagluwalo, alang takot ang sindak, pamingwaro ding memalen, karing hapon abakukak. Dapot banwa makaluls, kapurit man alang tinggap, menibanan king gobyerno, agyang pension mumanditak. Dapot elaba prasalog, kanyang suyo laging labuwad, banmilaya tamusana, king gamad ding lilut sukab. Ding kertang veterano, ning pangaduang Gera Mundial, ding mitagan at metena, marapat lang parangalan. Uling itang bugtong gambye, dinaunda at inampang, ban makarag yang ugapos, impasyentan tamong tibuan. Ding baltamong kawal ngeni, penataraking balayan, pagluwalo rengkip ng tapang, ingke katang katimawan, ingke katang demokrasya, manlakwas pang patindagan, pamangwari ting bansa, kareng dayong manalipan. Misan metong tanggulisak, alang kanglat kinubaman, luwidla at magluwid pa, ding bayani, tamong kawal. Salamat po.
Dakala salamat, karing amanang naksena, karing kawatasan, ang ginalin ni Poeta Laureado Francisco M. Like we said earlier, this is a day to reckon in history because today we pay honor to a man who has been forgotten in the pages of history. This morning, the Center for Kapampangan Studies of Holy Angel University will present a plaque of recognition to the heirs of Bernardo Poblete, also known as Commander Jose Banal. Baloy po, in-interview nila rin kayang pamilya at tutoy sinagara may nikuwang sawking gobyerno, may magkasakit na rin anak na bistaman dakal ka rin anak na rin mga matik ng gera at aktibong mikyabe kin pa makipaglaban. Sabi na ning metong nga puking tod, ning metong nga paginakit daring Banal Regiment ing dakal karela ring elemenik mong suporta king gobyerno. King totoo naman po niyan itang meto nga kasabi ko pagbulan ning milabas 93 ne ni Gregorio Pingol kami itong karing reservista. May santing naman na biyaw yung kareng anak na may swertil at may palad. Dapat, may itong kareng nga po na pag-apply ng scholarship kitang may itong government institution. Ikuha ng mitok ng mag-aral ng anak, uling rin checking pamayad, ela daratang. Ano pong rin nasabihan nini? Talaga po, yung pamagbayani, dehado ka, di primera, dehado ka pang patawli. Dapat lugod mo talaga yung balik. Yung karelang pagnasal. We will read the text of the plaque of recognition before we call the director of the center and the recipients in behalf of the family of Bernardo Poblete. The plaque of recognition reads, Center for Kapampangan Studies, Holy Angel University presents this plaque of recognition in honor of Bernardo Poblete, also known as Commander Jose Banal, for being a true freedom fighter before, during, and after World War II, for co-founding the Hukbo ng Bayan laban sa Hapon, or Hukbalahap, and for leading the Banal Regiment, for which he and his family paid the ultimate price. And for looking after Pedro Don Perico Abad Santos, founder of the Partido Socialista ng Pilipinas until the latter's demise. To Simplicio Lobo Poblete, who died in action in the Battle of San Simon and San Luis, Pampanga in February 1943. Ito po mga susunod kong babanggitin ng kanyang mga anak at asawa. Maximo Lobo Poblete, who died in action during one of the regiment's skirmishes with the Japanese. Colonel Tomas Lobo Poblete, also known as Commander Villacorta, for serving as the regiment's second in command, who sustained 17 wounds in the Battle of San Marcelino, Zambales on April 3, 1943. To the wife, Rafaela Lobo Poblete, for serving as the regiment's ammunition and arms officer, in addition to lending support as wife to Commander Banal. Julia Lobo Poblete, also known as Tandang Sora, and Nati Lobo Poblete, for being active members of the Banal Regiment. This plaque is being presented in gratitude on behalf of the Kapampangan people, as well as all Filipinos who enjoy the blessings of freedom and democracy, which are the direct result of the sacrifices of Commander Banal and his family. On the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the founding of the Hukbalahap and the infamous Death March, 9 April 2022, at the Capas National Shrine, New Clark City, Capas, Tarlac. Signed, Director Robert Ritantinco, Center for Kapampangan Studies. We now call on Director Robbie Tantinco and Mr. Rico Suba to accept the plaque of recognition in behalf of the family. Good. Siguro po may ito nga picture, wala kayong mask, sir. Can we ask the rest of the group to join? Professor Tantinco and Sir Peña, the Vice Mayor of Minalin, the representatives of the family, and people from the Center for Kapampangan Studies. Mayor. Right. One last photo. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Palakpakan tayo po. Masampat mo po na makirandam tamong dita kayamano. Mensahe manibatan king pamilya na ning kakatamparan ngalan nga ning habak. Pakiramdaman tayo po ring amano iba't king apo naging tod i Mr. Rico Suba. Palakpakan tayo.
Yan pong kakatang professor Sir Robby Tantinco together with Sir Francis Musni. Ako po yung head na po ng Santa Maria Archives Minalin. Siyempre po yung kakatang Vice Mayor Minalin po po rin sa Palang Pesitagon. Ito pong ati ko pong idugtong ketang salitang tepangan at tetagan. Tepangan at tetagan lo. Ito pong tepangan na abalo kong istorya, kanay matuwa. kaya po nga po kung babaeng mitagan. Na nungo ka rin na niya bisan mama po nila. Dahil nga anong ng anak, Commander Banan, na po yung asawa na. Kasalukuyan po magugulo kanita. Kalukuyan ng Ukraine, lidikas lang rin tao, mama niya likula. Pero ila po, migstay lang yung bale. At pigsabihan na po rin yung anak na. Isabihan na po ka rin yung anak, na po yung asawa na. Nung ita lumaban, matitamo, pati nakatamo rin nga na. So nung alang mag-umpisa, ay alang siga na loop, kareng shipping tambale o kareng alwatan kamag-anak. Ito po yung sinabi na kareng banang metong kareng anak na babae at lalaki, yung sinabi na po, lumabanta mo, kareng po na rin, bayang milaya, yung kakatambalen. So ito po yung milyari, yapin po ito ngayon maamunod ng tepangan. Ito po tetagan loop. Balita na po kareta metong ng tauhan na isimple siyo itang metong ng anak, may tiyak ni labanan. Isipan na po rin yung tauhan na kaya reta makakarandam kanta, gulagong itang mga ngulisek gumagaya. Pero ito na po nita, agpangkareta matong kamag-anak po, makalawi mo po katang malaking banderang makapuat ken wall, kabunya tutululwa, ano no pa rin. MM na nakita talagang gulisak. Yakin po higit ng tetaganlog para kaya. At anya pong misa na laban mo naman, metiya po yung pangalan ay Maximo Poblete, karing ko po ibat, makanyan mo naman po. Ako po pala isipan niya po ka na ako ito, o ba't gugula mo, o ba't kabunya tutululwa, lalo na yung bandera ng Pilipinas. Makanya na muna po kang Elena Poblete. Mete king bito kang manok, itang bulso ng anak kababay. Mete ano po, pero edi po higit talagang mixterical o na ano. Yapin po yung amon nung pong tetagan king look ng pamilya Poblete. At pasalamat ko po, kami po bilang pamilya na kwento na mo po yung miras kay kami. Emi po, pepabremi na po itang istorya ng tao, dore po ngalwang tao, ilang magkwento kaya kami, na yali na po itang meging obligasyon da kayong balenta mo rin ng Banal Regiment. Yung masakit mo po kaya kami, rin likwanda, may ngari kayong sising mila ko hinda. Dinanas kayo pong kasakitan. Nang misan, pati nga po, misan kami pumangan. Ita po nung baluet ang kulting mais, siya mo pong kakanan mita. Nung alaki ang bayo mo, asin mo po yung kabil niyo. Dinasan mi po ito, uling mga matila po kong labanan. Ala pong mitagan, kitang dati dang kapanito ng dahil matuwa. Opo, niya, sana po ako, rening pagsipin ko rin ang makatuwang mikibalo yung istorya. Hanggang saan ang miyati nga karetang apuda rin membro na ng Banal Regiment kaya pag-aaral na ng gobyerno. Pero may kalingwan po. Pero wala na akong po sakit loob ka rin uling ikit ko po hanggang may kalingwan niya po yung istorya ngayon ni pasalamat ko po kay Center for Lumpangan kay kayo po Professor Roby Tantingco kang Sir Francis Muslim po po Sir Nomer Pangilinan medyo may dinan niya pong wala mo may alungkat po itang makasalikot na istoryang dapat nang abalo ring kayo nakanda yung generasyon ngeni ito tuking generasyon na metong yung masanting ayemplo na numaknano yung lugod taking kakatampi pata na kakatang bansa dapat siyang manatili kayong puso tamo nga pasalamat ko po ngeni po akakit kayo po kayong Facebook lululya po yung istorya na ng Banal Regiment naisipan ko po makalingwanay po talaga itang istorya na ito. So sana po dagdagan niyo pa po yung effort nyo na sana po mabalo talaga nung nani milyari kaya ang istorya na ng Banal Regiment ano no ka rin dakal po may sakitan ka rin maging tawanan. Kita mo po yung sabi ko kayo lubos ko pong pasalamat kaya nga ganagan ng effort ko po may apeldo kong pasipay ko.
Banal Regiment.
Salamat po.
Kunda kayong wala
Ay,
mabere dayang-dayang.
Kaputo Larico, salamat. ing pong kinatang programa ngayon ng habak ganap iya paul na ning kasaupana ning Municipality of Capas. Nakalasalamat po, palakpakan tala po. Kaya mga kiwa, kaya Capas National Shrine, palakpakan tala ngayon po. Kaya kami pong kayaduangan, ing Santa Maria Archives Minalin, palakpakan tala po. Siyempre, dinina na pong panahon, ng kapamahalaan ng Minalin, yung tumago niya kaya ng kanilang Vice Mayor. At rin kinatang po ito laureado at tinagon, istaman pong mapali, ngayon habak, istaman pong Aldoyang Painawa, Fiesta Oficial, ikwata mong may tipon-tipon. Bayo tayo pupupusan yung programa, aking metong kakanta, kapamit parangal, karing kinatang bayani, ngayon habak. Ating kumuburing apala pa, salamat, tamo naman kang Kaputol Roni, naning Bamban Historical Society. Paano ko mapagaling yung parang linggo? Dapat din na nakatamayo pa oras.
Alang-alang ka lang ba yan?
Opo. At karin sablang, tinagon, mikiabe, ngayon habak. Metong mo po yung lakwan mi, King Center, manibat ang King Center for Kapampangan Studies. Reni pong kwentuela, sana mong mate. Yung bala na ning Kapas, dangalan nyo, yung makatuklo kayo king sagradong gabu. Sagrado ining gabu na tutukluan nyo, Rentao Kapas. Sana yung kwento mamamatda, milipat sa karing anak. Makanyan mo naman karing dinayon, tao minalin. Lawin nyo po ring records ng Banal Regiment, yung archives ng Pibaw. Dakal masasambit laking minalin. Yung minalin malati ang balen, dapat marakaling ng bag king kasalisayon, mukanita. Noon na yung panahon ng gobyerno kapon. At panikwanan niyo po, yung minali alaya pa pong marker metong man. NHCP, alaya pa pong marker. Sana po yun yung magmumuna ng marker, among other markers. Bataya pong pupusang masampat, yung kaya katamong pinsyonan ngayon ng habak, pakiramdaman tayo po. Yung metong karing kaya kaming kayaduangan, King Center for Kapampangan Studies, alang aliwa, ni Melissa May Angara, bangi bien ay kakatamong kantang Indong Balayan. Palakpakan tayo.
Pag nasan kung tuki ka, at siyawan ta'y dang bundok lingalaya. Kareta ding batu, manupuanan kata. Paitunan itang kuweba, sintungan na rin mga kuminuna. Ame ang unabye, balenting ulira. Silwak tang raya, heti kapalangan. Kuya tatanu, kewarang puna, balaing mate, ngarang yag nalagna. Tumula ka sana, o indong balaya. Silwak ng daya, hindi ka parangan. Ibuyan ang dano, kewarang puhunan, balaing mate, ngarang yag nalagnan. Tumula ka sana, o indong balaya. Tumula ka sana, o indong balaya. Tumula ka sana, o indong balaya.
This ends our morning's program. Dakala salamat po, Maya Payaldongan po kayo.